The simplest cipher code blocks of operation is electronic codebook mode. In this electronic codebook mode, the plain text is divided into number of blocks. Each block is having B bits. Each block of this plain text is actually encrypted by using a same key. To encrypt each block, we are using the same key. The term here used codebook because for given key there is a unique ciphertext for every B bit block of plain text. If you create a number of blocks and you use the same key and cipher it, you got unique ciphertext. So it is a name given codebook. This codebook technique has some disadvantage. What is the disadvantage? With this ECB, if the same B bit block of plain text appears more than once in a message, that means if you create a multiple blocks, in that multiple blocks, some blocks are having the same number of bits in same pattern. Both block contains same bits. In that case, it always produces the same ciphertext. Two or more blocks are same, it will always create a same ciphertext. So it is advantageous for the analyst. Because of this, for lengthy messages, if the message is highly structured, it may be possible for cryptanalyst to exploit these regularities. If same type of patterns will be generated in the ciphertext, that means some blocks are repeated. Then the analyst may analyze what type of data actually you are transmitting. Because, for example, most of the messages are always start with certain predefined fields. Whenever you are sending some messages, some have predefined field. The cryptanalyst may have a number of known plain text as well as ciphertext. He has a pair of both plain text as well as ciphertext, and he do some work on that one and try to analyze what type of patterns it will be generated. If the message has repetitive elements, then these elements can be identified by the analyst. This may help in analyst for substituting as well as rearranging the blocks. So this ECB mode is not much secure one. It is easy for the analyst if the message contains repetitive information. This diagram depicts the ECB. Now here a block of plain text is encrypted with the help of a key and generate a cipher block. In similar way, one more block is taken and encrypted with the same key and create another block. Like that process continues here until all the blocks are ciphered into ciphertext. In similar way, in decryption mode, it will take a cipher block and take the same key as the input and encrypt it and generate the plain text block. This each step it will do the same process to generate the plain text blocks.